And then the people them are say not chat too much. When you really look how far now come up here, go up here with the thing. Yeah, me can't bother go up no further because by your drop.
Bucket. Insurance for the other side.
Right, yeah.
No insurance, just hard work.
Wait the man it lit me.
Yeah, man,
I two him around with that two.
You don't know say in a life, I get to live in a people hungry and want money and they still not charge the whole full 100% price. But they don't know everybody still push out them energy and
Yeah.
help her because them not charge the right price. You see me? So I just saw the thing go because I get to live in a we need a little money see them here. So she still I get a great help because I can see here young you them fit.
Yeah.
And it's a hill.
True.
So I can see them way. So you guys just put little God in your heart and little love and just try to finish it up for Sean because you don't know she's a dummy. I work with her mouth now, she's a dummy.
Me can't understand you know.
She's a dummy, but just try and help her because God will say God is love. Yes. And you see that if she will try help you, it's the children.